KTM. It hasn't been warmed up. I'm gonna let it run for a bit, and then I'll do this the sound test. Rev it a few times so that you can hear what it sounds like with the stock muffler. Okay guys, as you can notice, I have the black plastics on. That's because I forgot to do the sound test once I did the whole installation for the exhaust. So nevertheless, I'm gonna run the sound test for you guys now so you can hear how sweet this thing sounds. Here we go. That sounds amazing. Anyways guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe. I'll try and put out as much content as possible. Until then, peace out.